spiky too.
Spiky. Not ribbed.
Hello everybody.
Swaddy Cup.
Swaddy Ka.
Welcome to our channel, Tied Together,
where we document what it's really like to live and travel in Thailand.
If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button down in the corner or down below in the description. As ever, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think.
And in today's video, we're at the Yellow Submarine coffee shop.
Yeah, so something a little bit for everybody in this one. I love coffee, Natalie likes chocolate, so we're first of all going to hit up this Submarine Coffee Cafe, let you guys know what it's like here in a part of our Khao Yai trip. And after that we're going to go off to the chocolate factory, aren't we, Charlie?
Yeah.
Charlie or Oompa Loompa?
Let's go.
Yeah, so this is the quite so yellow submarine, but I can see what they've done here. It's like behind the wall. Makes it look like a little submarine. Okay, so it's like a little, oh, doggo. Can I stroke it? Huh? Can I ask if I can stroke a doggo? Cutie. Oh, you're cute. Come round here to the side. So they've done it out proper like a little warship. Toilets around here. You see there. Looks out into the gardens. Pew, pew, pew. See? Leave her having to pay the bill. That's the way to do it. There you go.
It's ready. I know now. Shut up.
Cute little doggo up there on the table. And a cute little waitress turning up. So you get your buzzer. They buzz you when it's ready. Go up. So what did you go for on that?
Honey lemon ice pop.
Honey lemon ice pop. Oh right, I see the ice lolly in there. And I've gone for the iced caramel macchiato. So Natalie's cost 140 baht. Mine cost 95 baht. I think the coffees range, I think the most expensive one I saw was chocolate mint mocha. And I think that was 135, 140 baht for the coffee. Let's have a taste test.
Refreshing.
Good?
Yeah, I asked mine for like non-sweet and it's actually not that sweet as well.
Oh yeah, Natalie's extra. Alright, let's give this caramel macchiato a bit of a go. That's lovely, that. I'll give it on that. That's good.
Better than Starbucks?
Oh yeah, better than Starbucks.
It's not coming out.
It's not coming out. We've had an argument. There we go, but she forces it anyway.
Sweet. You want some? Spiky too.
Spiky. Not ribbed. Do you want pictures? Nat, what did you make of that? What did you make of that?
It's alright, it's like a cool cafe, but the only annoying thing is everyone's taking pictures everywhere.
Yeah, if you want to get pictures, try coming when you know Thai people don't book holidays. Because they'll be there for 4 hours taking photos and deleting them all. But no, I thought it was alright. Like, you see the shape of the submarine from the outside there. So a cool little gimmick, I think. Worth a little visit, especially if you like your coffees. Well, we're off to the chocolate factory now, so we're gonna cash in with you guys in about a half hour, or for you guys, about 5 seconds.
Yeah. See ya.
Hey look, I've finally seen an elephant on this trip. Unfortunately, it's just green. Here we are at the chocolate factory. Let's see what this is all about. Get some filming of the chocolate making at the chocolate factory. There doesn't seem to be an awful lot going on at the moment. I think it's a lot of prep work. You see there, I think they're like chocolate lollies. Look pretty good. I think she's just mixing the dough up, doing something with the gun. And let's bring it over here. Yeah, maybe she's showing us it. Let's stick around. I think Nat's almost paid for what she wants to take away. We'll show you that in a minute. And that's setting there up. Let's have a look at the chocolate. How badly you just want to dip your head in there and just drink that. I know I do. I like chocolate. Let's just see how she does these. Take a scoop there. Looks quite oaty like that, doesn't it? It's more like a oatmeal biscuit. Sure it's not, sure it's nice, sure that's not oats in the chocolate factory. Unless a chocolate car with oats. Oh no, I'm not a baker. I'm not a master baker. Yeah, I said it. Let's see if I can get her to wave. No, she didn't wave back, but she smiled. Nallie's getting all excited. Ooh, Ecuadorian chocolate. So they're about 180 baht each. Well, say about, officially 180. All nuts and stuff up there, white almonds. To be fair, they're not a bad price because compared to nuts you get in central Bangkok. Ooh, look at this. Nah. 120 baht for a big ass deep brownie. Ooh, some cheesecake. Up at the top here it's Dessert Cafe. They do all kind of chocolate drinks. They've also got like Italian frappes, Italian soda-y drinks. There's also like chocolate brownies, banana splits. There's a banoffee honey roast toast. If it was banoffee pie, I'd be saying let's have a go on it, but it's banoffee honey toast, so not really. I think this one's got a heart set on some chocolate boxes, so we're going to go downstairs. But there is a little chocolate cafe, bar-y restaurant up here with outdoor seating.
And restaurant seating stuff.
Yeah, and a restaurant as well. I think as well they have live music here, don't they?
Yeah, on a Saturday night.
On a Saturday night, and I think it's all the Thailand's Got Talent people. Back down to the bottom, Natalie's making her chocolate selections, aren't we? And that over there is Natalie's friend. I'm going to see if she watches the video. Everybody say hi Jack Jang. Jack Jang, if you watch this video, I want you to leave a comment down below. See, what's he gone for? Last one? Oh, like a Ferrero Rocher
Yeah,
thing.
try if it's better or not.
You see there earlier, that's why we took you to the coffee shop. Have a look at my selection of chocolates. Pretty much all the coffees. For tickets, how much is that?
I have no idea. 16 times 40. The chocolate come in this bag, and like they have like different boxes size.
We're gonna try this chocolate mint one, yeah?
Yeah, chocolate.
Okay, I'll give it a first go. I'll christen it. That's really good.
Is it really good?
Yeah. After this video, we're gonna go back on the we're gonna go back and just eat the rest of these. That's really good. I don't want to cough it up to Nat.
Mm.
Good, isn't it?
It's like a really good after 8.
Yeah. Without the cream.
But it's like the chocolate is quite intense, so it's like not sweet. It's not that sweet at all.
That's it from us today, from the Submarine Café and then the chocolate factory. We hope everybody enjoyed the video. I'm desperate to go back now and finish off these chocolates.
Yeah.
In the bathtub that we showed you in the previous video. If you haven't watched that one, please go back and watch that video. You'll see what I mean. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know what chocolates you would have picked. And Jack Jang, hopefully we hear from you if you watch this video that you got a shout out. As well, if you haven't done so already, please hit subscribe down in the corner or down in the description below to see more from us.
Yeah.